I might filter this one.
A few weeks back, I bought a pack of MEP spinners. I think you get 7 in a pack, and it was only about, I think it was 20 quid.
Yeah.
And I think we lost about 5 or 6 lures on one trip.
Really?
Yeah. I was off for the first cast of the trip. Beautiful little brown trout.
Nice one, Matty.
Yeah, thanks, bud.
That's crazy, man.
Thanks, buddy.
Nice one, Matty.
Thanks, bud. Hey, I told you I should be back, man.
Whoever gets more fish by the end of this trip will get the Batman title.
Like, that's only fair.
Yeah? I better get fishing, man. Ah, too much. Batman on his third. Son of a... Oh man, the fishing jealousy is kicking in, guys. Fish? No. That's not a fish. Change of strategy, we're going for a dry fly now. See if that makes a difference. Yes, 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 baby. Yes. Yes. On the fly, yeah, baby. Yeah, little one, but still beauty. Come on. Yeah. All right. Beauty. Easy, buddy. I won't hurt you. Beauty. Mwah. Here you go, buddy. Off you go. Robin on the board. Number two for Robin. Batman is shitting his pants. Beautiful. Off you go, buddy.
I'm in. I'm in.
No, get out of here. Yeah. No way. Oh no. Here we go. 4-2. There's my fly.
On again. I'm in again.
No, get out of here, man. Son of a... Here we go. That's pretty good. Yes! Oh, I'm missing the takes, man. I'm missing the takes so bad. Batman's own rod. Let's take his fish, guys. Oh, that's a nice one, dude.
Nice fish, man.
Oh, that's a good fish. Does that count on your rod, buddy?
Yeah, I think I'll let you have it.
Happy fish. Fish with Batman's rod.
Nice, man.
Beauty. These trout are gorgeous. That's a perfect hook set as well. And he goes happy. Cheers, buddy.
Cheers, man.
Cheers, man. Big hole here. Careful. tough going here. Terrain is brutal, full of holes. It's boggy in places. It's like trip hazards every single centimeter everywhere. Matty, what about this island here, man? Over here, maybe? That looks quite good, but if we can cross the river from there and just check that out, it looks a little bit open. Don't like that one. Hold on. Slippery. I think if we use hands. What's going on, guys? So camp is already set up behind us. I'm using the hammock and Matty's using the DD. We found this little spot, pretty nice spot actually. It's like a little division of the river. It divides and it goes to our right and to our left, and we're kind of in this little island. Found a lovely spot, sun setting over there in the west. What more could you want? For my sleeping bag, I'm using my Thermarest Questar, which is rated to comfort 5 degrees Celsius. Now that the season's changing and hopefully it's time to say goodbye to the heavy winter sleeping bags. Time to gather some firewood and maybe we'll go for a dip. Colder than I expected. Slippery, slippery do. Ow! Ow! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Ooh la la! Ooh la la! Ow! Cramp! 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 Ah! Cramp on my foot! Ouch! Ow! 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 I'm cozy in my warm clothes now, and I feel like $1,000,000. Buddy, nice. See if we can do a little trout dinner. Let's go. Baby, tiny, tiny, tiny. Yeah, absolute baby. Wow. Nice, man. Yay. Whee. Little absolutely beautiful red spots, gorgeous. Off you go, buddy. Yep. Oh my gosh. Yes. Ooh. Oh no! Yep. No! Man! Robin for the win! Oh, Robin for the win! 6-5! Any words, Batman?
I was going to fish there.
You're tainting my win, man. That's not fair.
Can I be cancelled out because you used my rod earlier?
No. Oh, got a take there. Yep, again. Oh, same fish twice. Home sweet home.
Dry grass.
That's right, nicely good.
Yeah.
Nice.
Looking good.
Okay. Come on, baby. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Where are you, bud? In the money now. Well, started raining a little bit. Sky looks quite loaded, so we're gonna cook some food and relax by the fire as much as we can before the rain forces us to our hammocks.
Looking forward to some food.
Me too, man. I'm hungry, man.
Yeah.
Rest for cooking.
Yeah.
Cherry tomatoes, beyond meat meatballs. Ow!
I think I'll pop is that.
Well, at the same time, it's a big one there.
Yeah,
man.
that's what I'm looking for, yeah.
Yeah. And we've got a little broccolini here. Bit of oil. Yeah, making sure it's not maple syrup.
Go. Madam, come here. Poppy.
Whoa! Wow. Bit more? Perfect.
Yeah.
Oops. Oh, it's looking good, buddy. Oh la la. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be amazing, man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, bud.
Oh yeah, bud.
Cheers, man.
Cheers, buddy.
Cheers, buddy. Appreciate it.
Cheers.
So good.
I'm in the hammock now, really cozy and warm. One of my favorite ways to go to sleep is like this, listening to the falling rain. It's so therapeutic and relaxing. Really eventful day, but an amazing day nonetheless. Good night, guys. Morning guys, it's about 8 a.m. Woke up at 2 a.m. with a recurring nightmare that I have, that I'm getting flooded, that the water levels are rising, and I wake up sometimes like panicking that the water is rising. Managed to wake up Matty as well, so that's good. It's been nice camping with Matty. I'm sure this will be the last one. The hammock is just such a great product, you know, really amazing product. See if we can get a view here. Slide a bit further back. You got it. Yeah.
Too far.
Yeah, that's fine. You can adjust. That's good.
Oh my word. That is so comfortable.
Cheers, buddy.
Yeah, thanks man.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Good morning. What a beautiful place to wake up, man.
Yeah, beautiful, isn't it?
Absolutely gorgeous. Oh. Caffeine in my body.
Yeah.
Amazing. For Batman, the first one.
Thanks man.
No worries, buddy. Alright guys, so thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as we enjoyed making it. Make sure to subscribe, and in the meantime check out Matty's channel. Batman has some great content. And I'll see you on the next one. Over and out. Well, you only have a few more.
Well, a bit more. Anyway, what?
No, we have to be serious, man. This isn't working. Only a few more subscribers.
Well, it's more than a few.
Well, you know, it's about.
Well, it's because I've got more. Well, it's because I.
All right, Matty. All right, Matty. It's about quantity. It's.
So I look at the camera. Or you?
Me.
So why are we actually camping together again? Oh, so you're trying to say my videos aren't quality? So why are we actually even camping together again? Alright, whatever you say. Should we just not even bother going camping? Is that right or not?
Go